Start by mastering the essential tap and slide gestures. Go to Settings and access Hand Gestures. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the practice. You can use gestures to answer, reject, or end a call. When a call comes in, a gesture icon will appear at the top right of the screen. By default, the focus is set on the Answer button, indicating where the tap gestures will work. Simply tap your fingers twice to answer the call. You can slide twice to shift the focus to the Reject button, then tap your fingers twice to decline the call. During a call, the focus remains on the End button. You can tap your fingers twice at any time to hang up. Gestures make it easy to control the remote shutter feature. Open the Remote Shutter app on your watch. When the gesture icon appears at the top, use gestures to access features on the card. By default, the focus is on the Shutter button, allowing you to take photos by tapping your fingers twice. You can use gestures to control music playback with ease. Play, pause, or skip to the next or previous track effortlessly. Swipe right to reach the leftmost screen and tap to access Media Controller. Once the gesture icon appears at the top, you can navigate using gestures. The Play/Pause button is the default focus, so tap your fingers twice to start playback, and tap twice again to pause. Slide twice to move the focus to the next track button, and slide twice more for the previous track button. Tap your fingers twice when the focus is on your desired button to skip tracks.